Hi guys. I have started a recording uh, without thinking that what I will be recording today. Well, my mood is a little bit emotional today, but I think that would not be good if I talk about my feelings right now. Hmm. So, guys, uh, let's talk about bitter. Something bitter. Guys, nowadays, the definition of everything has changed, and that too drastically. The notions that we followed, the culture we had, the credibility, trust on other person is absent in the people of this contemporary world. Maybe because everybody has, is dealing with dualism, online and offline world. On one hand, they say that why this is happening. Like, if I take my example, so I used to give too much time to the online world. To just scrolling the videos, knowing about here and there, knowing about the things, but the focus where it should be put, where it was. I mean, the focus should be put on the present, enjoying everything. So it was missed. And today also, before recording this video, I was on YouTube watching shorts, watching kind of podcast, but I know that are of no use. See, one thing I want to say that any advice, any advice that you are getting online, it is just rubbish and nothing else. The advice that you are taking online, it's rubbish. Believe me, it is rubbish. Never go with that advice. The life that other people having is not similar to you. Sometimes there can be some instances where you will be uh, you will be like, oh, the person is dealing the same thing that I am, but it is not even a half truth. The context decide what is this and what is that. And when without knowing the context, we perceive, we accept that this person is like me, the situation that he is dealing is like me, so the advice that he is giving to me in this particular regard will work. But the truth is that it will not work, because it is not for you. It is for that person who is uh, concerned with that. So I would end this topic by saying that Online word and physical word is really different. Online is not a word, it is just a waste of time. You are giving it, snatching the time. You are stealing the time from your real life. And is there a word online? No, bro, no, not the, never. Rubbish. Don't use your phone. Don't use your phone. It's just wasting your time. It just wasting your time and doing nothing. Okay. So don't use your phone, and I promise to you that I will not use it for entertainment, for any gyan purpose. No. You know where the phone required, where the requirement of phone, and that just for that I'll use it, and you too will be using uh, the phone in that regard. Otherwise, a big no. So guys, let me tell you one thing, something. So I met a friend today. It's not a human being, but it is a bird. It is the king of birds, the king of the sky, the eagle. I went to ground for exercise, and I caught an eye that something was sitting, or something was there. Uh, you know, it was sitting such a way that it was understood that it is a bird. So I peeked in that area and go towards that, and I got to know that yes, it is a bird and it is an eagle. And when I was moving towards it, when I was moving towards it, it was not. It didn't fly, but was just keeping his head like this to protect. I got to know that yes, it must be injured. And when I look from another side, I go, I saw that a wing was injured. And I took it to my home. Initially, I was getting afraid because it is not a parrot. Obviously, it was not a parrot or a pigeon, but it was the king of the birds. So seriously, guys, I don't want to talk today. I don't want to talk. I don't know why, but I don't want to talk today. But nevertheless, I will complete today's. today's video. Anyhow, guys, it's 14 February. There are a lot of festival today. A memory, a bitter memory of Pulwama. Valentine's Day, Saraswati Puja, and I don't remember another thing. Well, well, guys, the world that we are living, the world in which we are living, what matter is your career. Don't betray with yourself. Don't do that. Don't dare to do that because you are the only person who can change your life, and you can change your life by your action, by changing your action. And literally, guys, it is not easy to change your action, but that's too. It is not easy to change your action because it is not easy to change your situation. It takes demands efforts. It takes a lot of efforts. Well, I'm supposed not to use the mobile phone, uh, but still I was using. So I'll not use mobile phone from this very moment, and I promise you guys, this is my promise, and I rarely broke my promises. Mm, no problem, great. Guys, regardless of the fact that what you feel, what your emotions are, just keep moving forward. The past, the memories are not going to change your present. They are just memories. Memories don't change the present, but your actions can. So focus on your actions. Don't play your don't play with your life. See, we are we have transient life. If we are here, we will not be here forever. Let's be authentic here. Let's be authentic. Let's not waste our time in rubbish things. Hmm? Let's do it. So, one way through which we can save our life is literally is by becoming more accountable, workaholic, and yes, guys, we have to be um, पता नहीं यार आज क्यों नहीं मन कर रहा बोलने का, शायद इसलिए क्योंकि क्रिएशनल एक्टिविटी की बजाय मैं बस कंज्यूम कर रहा हूँ. आई वॉज ऑन यूट्यूब. आई लिटरली डोंट लाइक कि मैं यूट्यूब पे रहता हूँ, बिकॉज मेरी लाइन यार ऑथेंटिक यूट्यूब में नहीं है. पता है हम लोग यार बहुत अकेले से हो गए हैं ना. अब कोई भाईचारा है ज़्यादा नहीं है ना, ज़्यादा नहीं है ना दोस्त हैं. तो कभी कभी बहुत अच्छा लगता है कि यार जब मैं देखता हूँ ना ग्राउंड में कि कितने लोग आ रहे हैं, जा रहे हैं, टहल रहे हैं, बड़ा अच्छा सा लगता है. बिकॉज वो दिन भी यार पता नहीं कहाँ को जा रहे हैं. अब बहुत चेंज हो गया लाइफ. पता नहीं क्यों लोग इतने ज़्यादा सेल्फ ऑब्सेस्ड हो गए हैं, जबकि उन्हें पता है कि दे आर जस्ट ruining देयर लाइफ बाय यूजिंग मोबाइल फोन्स. फिर भी इतना एडिक्टिव हो गया ना फ़ोन. लोगों के करियर इससे चल रहे हैं. चलो ठीक है, समझ में आता है. जो लोग हम देखते हैं ना यूट्यूब पे कि भाई वीडियो आ रहे हैं, हमें खुद शर्म नहीं आती कि यार जिसका वीडियो हम देख रहे हैं उसकी लाइफ हमसे बिल्कुल अलग है, इसलिए वो वीडियो बना रहा है. क्योंकि वो वीडियो के उस पार है, वो कंज्यूम नहीं कर रहा है, वो क्रिएटर है. उसका सच में पर्सपेक्टिव अलग होगा. जितने भी हम यूट्यूब लोगों को देखते हैं उन सबका अलग है, क्योंकि वो लोग क्रिएटर हैं और हम लोग कंज्यूमर. तो कंज्यूमर का तो दिमाग ख़राब होगा ही ना. जब हम बने ही क्रिएट करने के लिए तो हम कंज्यूम करेंगे तो हमारा दिमाग ख़राब होगा. उनका बढ़ रहा है, उनके लिए अच्छी चीज़ है, ठीक है, बट हमारे लिए नहीं है. खैर आज के लिए इतना ही. वैसे भी मेरा मन नहीं है, लेकिन यार सही बता रहा हूँ, जो यूट्यूब देखते हैं ना, सच में उन लोगों की लाइफ अलग है. उनकी थिंकिंग अलग है, उनका जो यूज़ करने का पर्सपेक्टिव है वो अलग है. वो क्रिएट कर रहे हैं और हम कंज्यूम कर रहे हैं, तो हमारा दिमाग ख़राब होगा, उनका नहीं होगा. यहाँ बस मेरा कहने का पर्पस ये है कि भाई ध्यान दो अपने ऊपर, कंज्यूम मत करो, क्रिएट करो कुछ. जय हिंद.